WT 0413,
Yes.
Jemeline Rivera, 25 years old, single, college graduate, 2 years caretaker experience in the Philippines.
Yes, sir.
Miss Jemeline, tell me something about yourself.
I'm Jubilin Rivera, 25 years old, single, from the eldest child, and we are 6 siblings. I came from the province of Masbate, but I presently live at the Quezon City na. And 1 hour and a half from Quezon City to here.
Miss Jemeline,
Yes.
tell me something about your caretaker experience in the Philippines. What are your duties?
My responsibilities and duties as a caretaker here in the Philippines. First, cleaning the house, cooking the food, mopping the floor, washing the clothes, iron the clothes, and cleaning the bathroom.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, sir.
How about cooking Chinese foods? Do you know?
Yes, sir, but it's only basic.
Okay. Can you say some Chinese foods that you know how to cook?
Fried fish with tofu and egg and mushroom.
Okay. What are your hobbies?
Cooking and reading.
Are you willing to take care of newborn baby?
Yes, sir, I will.
How about elderly?
Yes, sir.
What do you prefer to take care, a baby or an elderly?
A baby, sir.
Okay. Do you know how to do bottle feeding?
Yes, sir, I know.
Okay. How about if the baby has fever? What will you do?
First, I will check the temperature by using the thermometer. Then, if there has a fever, I will inform first to their parents before I give them the medicine.
Okay. How about if the baby still keep crying? What will you do?
I check them if she will be okay, or I will check the diaper if it is full and if she have a rashes.
Okay. Do you know how to sing a lullaby song?
Yes, sir, I know.
Can you give one song?
Okay, sir. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little engine, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little engine, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little engine, 10 little engine, boys.
Okay. Aside from singing a lullaby song, do you have any talents?
Yes, sir, I have like dancing and singing and also playing ball games.
Okay. If you feel homesick in Hong Kong, what will you do?
If I feel homesick, I will make myself busy, like focus my work and also.
You will not feel homesick. Okay. How about if one of your family members in your family in the Philippines will get sick? Will you break the contract? What will you do?
No. I called them and I asked what happened to my relatives or family, and I last affirmation to my boss or my employer to go out to send money.
Okay. What could you teach to the children in Hong Kong?
I will teach them like singing, dancing, and also I teach them reading, how to write.
Okay. How long can you work in Hong Kong?
As long as my employer wants me and they request
Okay.
again.
And why you choose to work in Hong Kong?
I think why I chose Hong Kong because I want to earn more money and I want to help my parents and especially to my younger brothers.
Okay. Miss Jimelin, what can you say? Say something about something to your employer in Hong Kong, your future employer.
So, ma'am or sir, if you choose me as your helper, I promise I am a hardworking, flexible, and energetic, and also the trustworthy person.
Okay. WT 0413 Jimelin Rivera. Thank you very much.